Although the benefits of utilizing the cloud for business are very real and attractive, many businesses still are hesitant to take the plunge into full use of the cloud because of concerns over security. Well, it's time to separate fact from fiction and debunk some of the myths that still hover around the topic of cloud security for businesses. And we'll do that next on this episode of IT Done Right.
Welcome to this episode of IT Done Right with your host, Jeannie DeWitt.
The first myth that we're going to tear into today is the concept that a multi-tenant cloud-based infrastructure is more at risk than traditional in-house IT infrastructure. In a public cloud-based environment, many users or tenants rent space and computational assets. When considering a cloud environment, some business owners express concern that an attack could be triggered by another subscriber or tenant within the cloud environment. Now, although this is technically possible, it is not really an easy thing to do, and safeguards are put into place by the cloud provider to mitigate this risk. Second to the myth concerning multi-tenant attacks is a myth surrounding the concept that the cloud is more vulnerable to external internet threats than an in-house solution. Now, people who hold to this myth worry over such things as data breaches, denial of service, and account hijacking. In truth, these are real threats to any system, but they are not any more challenging or threatening within a cloud environment than they are for companies using in-house assets. A multi-layered security strategy secures your business equally well within each environment. Now, the third myth that seems to be common today is the one that says, I can't control where my data is placed within the cloud. Now, this can be a valid concern, but it's easily overcome by choosing a provider operating data centers that are located where laws prohibit the provider from exporting personal data across international boundaries. By taking this precautionary step, any concerns over the location of personal health, financial, or tax information can be alleviated. Now, the fourth myth we want to take on today surrounds certifications. The myth says the cloud has the same certifications, so it's as good as in-house IT assets. Well, certifications are good IT landmarks, but in themselves are not comprehensive proof of complete compliance or security. It's essential that you fully grasp your provider's capabilities, policies, and processes to discern if that provider will meet your exacting expectations. The last myth we want to look at today is the one that says the cloud is not transparent. The truth is that the cloud can be transparent, and many providers have adopted the Cloud Trust Protocol, or CTP. This protocol gives the customer the insight and information they need to assess whether to put their data and applications within the cloud in accordance to their own organization's transparency needs and requirements. Now, transparency is available within the cloud. However, you have to check out the level of transparency afforded by each provider to make a choice that's right for your company. Now, sorting through the fact and fiction surrounding cloud computing can be challenging. If you'd like some help, my team would be glad to talk to you about how to securely leverage the advantages of the cloud for your business. Until next time, I'm Jeannie DeWitt for IT Done Right.
Thank you for watching IT Done Right. For more great information, visit hireanitexpert.com. Also, browse the other shows found right here at Toledo Biz TV Shows.